All right, welcome back. So now we're asked in this problem to find the area that is bounded by these three lines. Y equals 4x plus 4, y equals 6x plus 6, and x equals 6. And so I've gone ahead here and graphed my three equations here. So the red line here is y equals 6x plus 6. That, of course, as we can see, will, through the whole region, be our top graph. And then the black graph here, 4x plus 4, our second graph here. And then they're cut off by the vertical line. Because if we're just looking at those two lines only, that actually would be kind of an open-ended area, right? It's kind of funneling between those two lines, but we're chopping it off here artificially at x equals 6. So the first thing to recognize is that we're looking at the area here between x equals -1 and x equals positive 6. That's the first thing to do. And also observe, again, that the red graph is the upper graph, right? Always on top. Red graph is on top. This time we don't have to split it into different intervals. We can do it all in one fell swoop. So it's going to be the integral from, again, -1 on our x-axis, where they start at, over to 6. And it's going to be the red graph minus the black graph. And so let's put that together and work out our integral. So it's going to be the integral from -1 to 6 of the top function, which again is, in this case, 6x plus 6, minus the bottom function, 4x plus 4 dx. And we can do a little bit of simplifying. This will be the integral, -1 to 6. Combining like terms here, 6x minus 4x will be 2x. 6 minus 4 will be 2. So we do the integral of 2x plus 2 dx. So we move the power rule for 2x. Becomes x squared divided by 2. Just be x squared. 2's cancel out. Plus 2x. Evaluate it between -1 and 7. And then we compute it. We just compute it. Plug in 7, that'll be 7 squared is 49, plus 2 times 7 is 14, so that's going to give us 63. And then we evaluated it at -1. That's going to be -1 squared is 1. I'm sorry, that's not 7. What am I doing? I'm thinking of the width being 7. It's actually 6. I'm not sure why I did that. Let's try this again. My apologies. 6 squared is 36. 2 times 6 is 12, so that's 48. And when we plug -1 in, we're going to have a -1 squared, which will be 1. And 2 times -1 will be -2. 1 minus 2 will be -1. But because it's in the subtraction part of the integral, we actually end up getting 48 minus a -1, which gives us an area of 49. Okay. And so a little more straightforward than some of the other ones that we did.